Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. SeekaHost India introduces the next generation security layer built into a hosting infrastructure named ACSS, Adaptive Core Security Suite. In this video, I'm going to explain about what it is and what it will do. Without making any further delay, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. First, let's see why we call it as an Adaptive Core Security Suite. Adaptive, it does not rely on a fixed set of rules. It responds to the new threats as they appear in the server. Core, it covers most of the core features from malware detection and DDoS protection to web shield, anti-bot defense and cPanel security. Suite, no single tool can cover every angle. What makes it different is that multiple security features work together as one system. Adaptive Core Security Suite. Now let's see what are the tools in the Adaptive Core Security Suite. The first tool is Advanced Malware Scanner. Advanced Malware Scanner, which is also called as Rapid Scanner, is a high-speed scanning system that quickly detects files. It checks files using malware patterns, behavior analysis and file structure. This is important because malware can often hide inside looking files, and Rapid Scan helps identify these threats early before they can spread or cause damage to our websites and its applications. Second tool, Real-Time Scan. Real-Time Scan is a feature that continuously monitors server activity and scans files as soon as they are accessed, created or modified. It helps detect threats rather than waiting for scheduled scans, reducing the chances that malware will run and spread on the server. Third tool, Automatically Scan All Modified Files. This feature automatically scans whenever a file is edited or changed in any way. This helps detect malware that may be injected into existing files after an update or an unauthorized access to your website. Fourth tool, Automatically Scan Any File Uploaded Using the Web and FTP. File uploads are the most common ways malware can enter the system. In this feature, every file uploaded through a website or FTP is automatically scanned before it is fully accepted into the system. This blocks suspicious files before they can be used on your website. Fifth tool, Block Malicious Files Uploads via File Manager. Fifth tool, Block Malicious File Upload via File Manager. This feature prevents users from uploading files identified as dangerous directly through the File Manager interface. Even if a user unknowingly tries to upload a file, the system stops it before it reaches to the server. Sixth tool, Malware Database Scanner. Malware Database Scanner compares files against an updated database of known malware signatures. If a file matches any known threat pattern, it is quickly identified and removed. This helps protect the server by identifying and stopping known types of malware before they can cause any harm to your website. Seventh tool, Binary ELF Malware Detection. Binary malware detection, which is also known as ELF malware detection, scans compiled Linux files or for hidden malicious codes. Sometimes malware can hide inside these compiled programs of regular script files. By checking these binaries, the system can detect deeper level threats that might be otherwise missed on your website. Eighth tool, Account Compromise Prevention. Account Compromise Prevention, it keeps an eye on account activity to spot login behavior, unauthorized access attempts. If someone tries to misuse an account, the system can take action by blocking access to prevent an account compromise. Ninth tool, Enhanced DOS Protection. Enhanced DOS Protection, it helps protect the server from denial of service attacks by identifying traffic patterns and blocking harmful requests. It keeps the server stable even when it is being overloaded with excessive traffic. 10th tool, Web Shield Protection. Web Shield Protection acts as a filter for web traffic. It blocks requests, suspicious patterns and known attack signature before they reach hosted websites. 11th tool, Anti-Bot Protection. Anti-bot protection blocks automated bots that try to spam or engage in malicious activities. It is important because it reduces traffic and protects websites' resources from being misused. 12th tool, cPanel Account Protection. cPanel Account Protection secures cPanel accounts by monitoring login attempts and blocking suspicious activity, and it ensures that only authorized users can access the hosting controls. 13th tool, PAM Brute Force Attack Protection. The PAM, Pluggable Authentication Module's Brute Force Attack Protection, protects server login system from repeated password attempts. This protection blocks repeated failed login attempts at the system level, stops brute force attacks against SSH and system users. 14th tool, Axiom plus Dovecot Brute Force Attack Protection. This feature protects email services. Axim handles the sending mail and Dovecot handles the receiving mail. The system block repeated login attempts and email accounts to prevent mailbox compromise. 15th tool, FTP brute force attack protection. The FTP brute force attack protection secures FTP access by blocking repeated failed login attempts. It helps prevent attackers from guessing credentials and accessing the files. Tool 16. Users can view the scanning and history details. This allows users to view reports of all scans, including any threats that were found and the actions taken against them. This gives transparency, helping users clearly understand what issues were detected and how they were handled on their website. The last and the 17th tool prevents PHP-based attacks via proactive defense. The system monitors PHP activity, blocks malicious scripts in real time. It is important because many websites attacks happen through PHP files, and stopping them early helps prevent code from running on the server. The Adaptive Core Security Suite is not limited to 17 tools. Additional modules are currently under development and will be released progressively as the part of Adaptive Core Security Suite ecosystem. A secure hosting environment isn't built on a single tool. It takes multiple layers of protection running together, each one covering from a different angle of attack. From real-time file scanning and brute force prevention to upload filtering and PHP level defense, every component of the Adaptive Core Security Suite is designed to stop threats before they reach your website. All of this runs quietly in the background. You don't need to worry about it, you don't need to configure it. SeekaHost India handles the security so you can focus on running your website. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.